Launch the drone.
Thank you. You are welcome.
All ground vehicles move in. Do something! What the? No, you are out of your mind! That is a dead end!
Not for us.
Going to die!
You're not going to die!
Pretty cool, actually. I'm not gonna lie. I got it. Oh.
You have been a serious pain in the ass.
Eyes, lungs, pancreas. So many snacks, so little time.
What the hell are you?
I am Venom, and you are mine. Listen carefully, Eddie. You did not find us. We found you. We need Carlton Drake's rocket. You remember him?
How do you even know about that?
I know everything, Eddie.
You do?
Everything about you.
How?
I am inside your head. You are a loser, Eddie. Cooperate, and you might just survive. That is the deal.
My heart breaking, mistakes I've been making. I'm running out of patience to pretend. This isn't how I'll let it end. My fading. You've been running your life here. I've had your night years. How can I lose this up control? There's nothing left to make you whole. I'm done explaining. This is because you can be her. Made your mistakes and